Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I will show you two major flaws that I found in the Nano Banana, basically Gemini 2.5 Flash. Yeah, so let's begin with the video. So we are going to use these two demo images. This is the first one, and the issue that I found is basically when you use this image and ask Nano Banana to completely remove the background and make this image like transparent, and it does something like this. Let's see. Wait, let's wait. We give it an image and the prompt as well, and it start generating the image. So it will took about some 1 or 2 more seconds, and here we have the image, and here it is. As you can see, it doesn't generate the any type of PNG. It generate the deconstruct some types of the background image, and yeah, it's completely unusable. You cannot use this image any backgrounds, and it's worse than the before. So this is the first issues, and basically Nano Banana have the issues making the image into the PNG or the making the transparent image. And the second one is basically, as you can see, this remember this face that the user from here is smiling, and it have some kind of delay. So basically this picture is captured from the 48 megapixels camera, and yeah. So let's paste it here, and we're going to give it a prompt. Had a So we give it an image and the prompt as well. So let's just wait for the 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so it's generating the image. Now we have the result. And as you can see, this is our given image that we gave it to Gemini, and this is our result image. So from here, as you can see, let me show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, download this image, save it here, and open it. From here, let's zoom it. Now let's see this face. Now you cannot tell this person was smiling before, as you can tell from here. So basically it's lose detail when you give it some kind of picture, so it will lose details. And yeah, this is second point. So when it's generating the image or modifying or editing any type of image that you give it to edit, so it will lose details for absolute. So yeah, that's all for this video. This is two major pros that I found in the Nano Banana. And if you like this video, you can consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.